Miss Diorio here from Citizenship Academy with your next skills lesson. We're going to start today with what we did last Wednesday in our lesson with a sound dictation. Now that's when I give you a sound and then you are going to write the spellings for that sound, and I will tell you how many different spellings there are. Remember, you're not writing a word, you're just writing the sound spellings. Okay, so for example, if I make the ch sound, you are going to write on your paper the two ways that we might see that sound in our words. So we have it with a CH and a TCH to make the ch sound. So go ahead, pause the video if you haven't got a paper and a pencil already, or marker, crayon, whatever you want to do. Go ahead and pause the video and get those things and come back to me when you're ready. You ready? So same thing as last time. I'm going to say the number, say the sound, and then I'm going to tell you how many spellings there are for that sound. Okay? If you don't remember them, don't worry. I'm going to show you at the end what they are and you can correct your work. But do your best, okay? So we're going to start with number 1. So write a number 1 on your paper. And I want you to write, we just did it, the two spellings for the ch sound. Two spellings, ch sound. Number 2, you're going to write the two spellings for the sound. Two spellings, Think about those consonant rules we learned. Number 3, this one's a little bit trickier. You're going to write the three spellings for the j sound. Three spellings, j, 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 j. Remember, the letter we might associate with the sound isn't the only way we see that sound. It might be more than one letter. All right, number 4, you're going to write the two spellings for the n sound. N, like nice. Two spellings, n. All right, number 5. You're going to write 4 spellings. 4 different ways to spell the k sound. 4 different ways to spell the k sound. It's a lot. Remember, it might be a combination of 2 letters to make that k sound. Number 6, you're going to write the 2 ways to make the s sound. 2 ways, s sound. Number 7, you're going to write 2 ways to make the g sound. 2 ways, g. And number 8, 3 ways, 3 spellings, for the z sound. Remember, the z sound might be a different letter at the end of a word that sometimes makes a different sound. The z sound. 3 ways. Ready? All right, I made my list again. You can compare yours to mine, make any changes you need. This is just for you so that you know all the spellings, okay? So don't worry if you missed any. Don't worry if you got any wrong. Just fix them, okay? Totally good with that. So number 1, we have ch. You should have CH and TCH. 2, we have 1 M and 2 M's. 3, we have j. You should have, you can't really see it, sorry. I wanted to make a rainbow. J, G, and GE. 3 ways. Be careful because this is how you normally see it, or how you think you'd see it, but the G and the GE also make the j sound. 2 ways for n is N and 2 N's. 4 ways for k is just 1 C, 1 K, 2 C's, and then a C and a K. This one's most common at the end of a word, okay? 2 ways for s, we have 1 S and 2 S's. And then the G sound, 1 G, 2 Gs, and then Z, we have 1 Z, 1 S, 2 Z's. This is what I was talking about at the end of a word. Sometimes when an S is at the end of the word, it makes the Z sound. So I'll put this up on Google Classroom for you to check your answers and make sure you got them all. Good job. All right, we're going to switch gears a little bit. We are going to practice, we haven't in a while, we're going to practice our 2-syllable words. Remember, 2-syllable words, each syllable has its own vowel. And those 2-syllable words can be compound words. When we have 2 words together that make 1 word, they can be a root word plus an ending. So like swimming with the ing or the ed or whatever we're going to add on the end. Or they can just be 2 syllables, 2 vowels parts that they're not their own words, but they come together to make a word. So what we're going to do is we're going to say a word. We're going to clap it out. We're going to say it with our hand on our chin. Remember, each time our hand drops, that's another syllable. And then we're going to tap them out, each syllable one at a time, because we haven't done that in a while. I think it's really good practice. You guys are awesome at it. So let's try it. First word is garden. So say garden. And clap it out. Garden. 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 Chin drop twice, 2 syllables. We're going to break it down, tap out each syllable on its own. So first syllable is gar. G, R, D, E, N. Garden. Do that with me. G, R, D, E, N. Garden. Awesome. All right, next one. Ready? Compound word. We're going to do goldfish. Say goldfish. 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 2 syllables. Compound word. So we're going to tap out each syllable on its own. Let's start with gold. G, O, L, D. Gold. I, sh. Goldfish. G, O, L, D. I, sh. Goldfish. Nice job. All right, let's try answer. Say answer. And clap it out. Answer. Answer. Hand on your chin. Answer. Answer. 2 syllables. Okay, let's do the first syllable. An. An. S-er. Answer. An. S-er. Answer. Job. All right. These next 2, grab your piece of paper that you did your sounds on or a new piece of paper. Let's try writing them. So first we're going to clap it out, do what we've been doing, tap it out, but then let's practice trying to write those sounds that we're hearing. So the first word I want us to try is darkness. 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 2 syllables. So let's tap out the first syllable. D, R, K, N, E, S. Good. Tap it out again. D, R, K, N, E, S. Beautiful. Grab your paper and your pencil or whatever you're writing with. I'm going to write with a marker. And let's try and write that word. So I'm going to sound it out as I'm writing it. D, R, K. Now I'm going to put a little dot so that I know. Because I have dark. Now I'm going to write the next syllable. N, E, S. All right, ready? I'm going to show you mine. And I want you to check yours. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Darkness. D, R, K, N, E, S. 1 sound for those 2 S's. D, R, K, N, E, S. Awesome. All right, let's try one more that we're going to write. The word is sweeter. Say sweeter. Clap it out. Sweeter. Sweeter. Hand on your chin. Sweeter. Sweeter. 2 syllables. Let's tap out each on its own. Ready? S-w-e-t-er. Let's try it again. S-w-e-t-er. try and write it. Ready? I'm going to write the sounds that I hear. S, w, e, e. Ooh, I gave you it. S, e, t, One syllable, two syllables. Ready? Sweet, s, w, e. This is where I gave you a hint because I said e, e. S, w, e, t, Sweeter. Yay! Good job today, guys. We haven't done that in a while, so that was good practice. Proud of you. All right, your task today. I'm going to make myself. Okay. Let's go. Let me come over here. Whoop. All right, we're going to do that for now. On Google Classroom, you're going to see it says 2-syllable word fill in the blanks. So your job is going to read each sentence. And see that little line there, that little blank spot? You have to pick the word that best fits in that sentence. Okay, and I'm giving you 2 choices. So let's do number 1 together, and then you can do the rest on your own. So number 1, we blank the food up in the tree. Your choices are hoisted or planted. Now, when we were reading Kate's book, we learned that hoisted means to lift something up. So would it make sense that we lifted or hoisted the food up in the tree or planted the food in the tree? Probably hoisted, right? If we were camping and we needed to lift the food up. So that's number 1. You're going to do the same thing for all the other ones. Read the sentence with the blank and then pick the best word to complete the sentence. There are 8 of them all together. When you're done, hit submit and I'll see your work. Good job today, guys. See you next time.